Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account for Fortnite in your mobile device. So head over to your browser and type in Fortnite sign up. Then you will see this Fortnite login. You're going to have to tap onto that link. Right at this page, it will ask you to sign into Epic Games, but tap on create an account. Now it says, have you played any of these games on your console, mobile, or PC? You're going to have to select no here. And once done, simply enter your date of birth. So make sure that you remember your date of birth if you're trying to add something else, because it might help you recover your account. So tap on continue, and right at this page, you can either continue with Google account, Apple, or email. So I'm going to continue with my Google account. Here, tap on continue. After a couple seconds, you will see that you have now created yourself an account. Before moving on to your account, you're going to have to complete your account. So simply type in your display name. If you have a last name, also type in your last name. So just going to go with this one. So it is already taken, so I'm going to add some number here. Tap on the boxes that says I have read conditions and simply, tap on continue. So it also requires our last name, so type in that as well. Then tap on continue. Now, once you have done that, you will be able to see your account. And likewise, guys, this is how it's created. If you tap on this three bar icon, you will be able to see your initial. So make sure that you remember your credentials, and simply you can use your PC and get logged into your account via your Google account. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch up in our next upload.